Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Evelyn. If you're new here, welcome to everyone. And yeah, this is the second video of this series that I promised I would be dropping one video per week. I'll be speaking about how I moved into tech, and then today I'll be talking about where you can get free resources on how to learn how to code. Like if you're like me, that when you try to search the internet, there are lots and lots of overwhelming information and you don't know where to start. You are in the right place. So welcome, sit back and let's jump right into it. And so before I move into the platforms that I've tried and tested and I'd like to share with you guys, I'll say that whatever platform, whatever means you choose to learn how to code, I'll say that you stay consistent with it. For me, I would say that whenever I've been actually trying to venture into the tech industry for a while now, and then whenever I try to like pick up a laptop or jump on it and start learning, after a few weeks it kind of fizzle out. The motivation drops, and then and then you go, and then I have to go over and over again, forget about it, and then come back to it, start from the scratch and all that. And so before I decided to like give it my all, and and so I'll say that if this is actually what you want, I'd say that you give it time. You have to put in hours. You have to put in lots and lots of hours to practice. Programming has to do with practicing over and over and over again. Just like any other skills, you have to learn over and over and over again. So being consistent is actually really important on this journey. Being consistent is really important, because there could be there are actually lots of courses out there, and if one is not careful, one could get really overwhelmed and all that, like jumping from one platform to the other. But if you are able to like stick to one or a few and then focus on it, and then be consistent, give it maybe 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours every day, that will really go a long way. So the first website or the first platform that I would recommend that you can learn from if you are going into data like me is DataCamp. So when I started learning how to program with R months ago, I started learning with R. So I did a course in my school, which is introduction to data analytics using R, and then it was really simple, or really easy to understand for me. It was really easy to understand for me. Like the syntax were really easy, and so from there on, like on DataCamp, I moved to learning SQL, and then I moved to learning Python, and then I really love DataCamp because even as you're learning, you can actually do some project. You can do projects and put those projects on your profile, because of the fact that when you go for interviews, employers ask and say, oh, what have you done? Like, they need to see your skill set. It's not, programming has to do with like what you can do, what you can solve. So they need to see what you've done with your hands, and so project like that helps a lot. Like you can download such projects and then put on your profile, on your GitHub and stuff like that. And so I'll be showing you firstly my DataCamp page, and to see how they break down their courses and stuff like that. And so this is my DataCamp page, and yeah, so these are some of the courses. These are some of the courses that and so down here you can see that they have daily practice, because like I said, programming has to do with a lot of practice over and over and over again, because of course what you practice is what you're going to be using to implement when you're faced with real life problems and challenges on the job. And so yeah, it's saying it's telling me to practice, because all these certifications, all these courses here, introduction to SQL, introduction to R, intermediate, tidyverse, introduction to visualization and stuff like that, I already did the certifications on DataCamp, so it's telling me like to refresh my memory and all that. And so let's if we say let's explore project library. So if we like check the project library, saying that solve real life problems, and that is actually what data analysis or data science is all about, solving real life problems. So these are some projects that you can work on, and once you're done learning it, you can download it. And I've actually done some, that's why it's saying replay project and all that. So let's go to career track, for instance. Another thing that I like DataCamp for is that they structure courses to fit career path. For instance, if you're looking to be a data analyst, you can pick this course. Let's say data analyst, for instance. You can pick you can click one of it, and then you see that it's going to show you the courses that you can do. If you want to be like a data analyst, you can do introduction to data science in Python, intermediate to Python, data manipulation with pandas, and on and on and on, like that. And so if you're looking to going into DataCamp is really good. It has immense resources that you can, for instance, if you want Python, or you want to take courses in R, or you want to take courses in SQL, it's really good. You can there are actually a lot of courses that are free, and if you like to go in for that, you can also pay for their monthly subscription or yearly plan, as you wish. And so yeah, next is Codecademy. So this is my Codecademy page. I really love this interface. Like, I'm so excited that there are a lot of resources out there for people to access. Like, I am so excited. You can see that if you want to learn JavaScript, if you want to learn code foundation and stuff like that, I'll click the red three bars on the top left, and I'll go to, let's say, catalog, for you just to like see all the courses that they have. If you want to learn front-end engineering, even though if you want to access the old course, you might have to pay, because I can see the pro logo there. If you want to learn JavaScript, or learn HTML, or learn Python 3, or learn data science, full stack engineering, learn Java and all that. At least to learn Java, it's beginner friendly. You can learn 16 lessons, and it's free and all that. You can see there are a lot of courses: how to learn to build tools, BI dashboard with Tableau, learn intermediate JavaScript. Yeah, lots and lots of resources. And they also did like some blog posts and some videos. For instance, if you're asking how long it takes to learn code and stuff like that. And yeah, this is actually really good. I really love Codecademy. A lot of people have used it, and they've testified to learning a lot from there. Number 3 is Freecodecamp. So this is my Freecodecamp page, and yeah, like these are testimonies from people who have used the website before, and I really love that they have lots and lots of resource for web design, JavaScript, front-end development, data visualization, back-end development, and APIs, and all that. And so you can get started using this. Is totally free, like totally free. Let's click one of them. Let's click data analysis with Python. Yeah, so this is actually good. Like, this is really good. How to use Jupyter Notebook, NumPy, pandas. Like, this is really good. Freecodecamp, freecodecamp.org. thumbs up. I'm going to put the website in the description below, so if you're interested in any of these websites, you can click and join this moving train. you know. And so the next one I'll be talking about is Kaggle. Like I said earlier, learning how to code or learning programming, once you start applying for jobs, employers are going to ask you also, what have you done, what have you done, what have you done, like can we see your skills, what you've done, project you've worked on, and all that. It's actually really funny for someone who is just starting in that career line. You're like, I need a job to to learn on the job, but it's not actually like that when you're learning programming. Like, you need to practice and then work on projects, look for data sets on the internet, then use what you learned on the data set and all that. And so what I love about Kaggle is that when you finish learning maybe a particular chapter, you go on to the exercise and then you work on the exercise, and you can download the exercise and also use it on your GitHub account. You can use it as like a project. Like, excuse me, I really love that Kaggle is really project friendly. Like, this is their Kaggle, this is their course page, and these are the ones that I have tried my hands on, and it's really good. Like, really good. Like, there's data cleaning, advanced SQL, and these are projects that one can work on and one can download and put on GitHub or on your profile, on your website, personal portfolio website, that you can show employers or whoever you want to work with and say, oh, this is what I have done while learning and all that. So really good. Lastly, I'll be talking about a book called Think Python. I'll also be putting the website and maybe the picture of the front page on the screen. Like, I'm still learning from the book, I'm still reading it, and it's really good. Like, it's really easy to follow. It's really easy to follow. I really like how the book breaks it down and has exercises. There are some exercises that there's a link on at the bottom of the exercise where you can go to the author's GitHub, where the author solved their exercise there and all that. And so with that, I have come to the end of this video. I hope you've been able to get one or two resources. Please drop in the comment below which one you'll be going with, which one will you be going with. Like, let's carry each other along on this journey. So yeah, so I'll be seeing you on my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to drop comments, give the video a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.